Halfway. Can you touch it? Touch it? Yeah, I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Get it, Gary. Get it. Get it, Gary. When it twitches, you jump. I'm so proud of you. So disgusted.
And it's gonna lick your face in 20 minutes.
Oh, it's alive! Oh, it's kind of alive. I should probably kill that thing. Oh! I don't think it's a mouse, it's a vole. I don't think I can kill it, Chris. Will you come kill it? Oh, it's alive! It's going, Gary! Well, no, like, I mean, I think I should kill it and put it out of its misery.
I know.
I can't do it.
I know that.
I don't want it to suffer. Come on, Gary, get a good chomp.
Get me killed.